So, hey, we've never had a proper introduction, have we? Okay, so from this point forward, we are going to have an introduction. So, get used to it. Thank you. Alright, so welcome back to Programming 101 with Alan Santaolalla. We are going to not install Linux due to budget constraints. I don't really want to lose my entire data and I don't have a way to back it up right now. So instead of doing what the mastery tells us to do, which is install Linux on my own computer, we are going to do the alternative, which is install something we already have, which is Cygwin. Alright, it's more so going to be a tutorial about how to install Cygwin, so let's go to the page. It's cygwin.com/install. It's right here, .html. So it's gonna redirect us to the page for installing Cygwin, and there's the 32-bit version for Windows and a 64-bit version for Windows. Um, okay, so I'm gonna choose 64 just because my system supports 64-bit. But if yours doesn't, then go ahead and choose 32-bit because otherwise it's not gonna work. Alright, so let's download the setup. And thankfully I'm not gonna put you through the hassle of waiting through the installation, so I'll just meet you there. Alright, so with the power of editing we have sped up the process. And we have right here our installer, our executable file. Yes, do execute please. And it's gonna show us the instructions we need to install Cygwin. Alright, click next. Install from the internet. Yes, if it's your first time installing, yeah, do download from the internet. And it's also pretty important because the download files will be kept for reuse in the future in case you somehow lose it. Or you can download without installing, but then that's pretty lame. So yeah, install from the internet. Go ahead and choose the root directory that you want. I personally leave it at that, and install for all the users. Just you, doesn't really matter. Local package directory. Here is where you'll have all of the components for the Cygwin installation, and where your root files, the CPP files, can be found and can be put in order to not change the directory when compiling. So you can choose downloads. I'm gonna choose not to though because I already have a Cygwin in downloads. So let's put a desktop. Click next. Use a direct connection and download from any of these. I personally recommend Mirrors, but you can choose from any of these sites actually. So just click next, and it's gonna download. Now what I'm gonna do here is let's just wait. Again, through the power of editing, I'll meet you there. Alright, we've downloaded our installation program, and now it tells us what we want to choose. Okay, so what do we want? Well, we want C++, everything that has to do with C++. Click on the vel, and you are going to go ahead and click on the skip button and the bin. Leave this box unticked. This is the only one you need. And graphics, you're not gonna need it. Lives, audio, okay. Alright, so we have that selected already. C++. Again, click on the bell. Keep this one. The second one, the one that says GNU compiler collection, is the one you're gonna need. As you can see right here, it was already ticked because I already have it installed. So those two libraries are very important. and we're gonna go ahead and reduce our search term. All of the other ones are actually pretty optional. You just want the bare bones of the Cygwin package, and you can go ahead and click next, and it's gonna tell you the list of what you want to install. Cygwin 32. All these packages will be installed, and once you're satisfied with what you want, you click on next. And I'm gonna go ahead and click cancel because I already have it unlocked. So yes, it will be aborted, but by all means leave it at that. And I always have this weird custom of putting all the setups in my trash can just cause. It's not really good or bad, I just do it. But okay, if you chose to, then you're gonna have a desktop icon for your Cygwin terminal. We're gonna go ahead and open it up to see if it works. And this little thing will be the root of all our joys and also our miseries. Alright, let's go list and do the command list so we can know what we have. Alright, we have all of this, and we're going to compile the time cpp file in order to see if it can compile correctly. It's gonna take some time since this is the first time that I've opened Cygwin in a long time. Alright, it did compile, and we're gonna execute it. Execute now, without the plus. Hello world. Wow, what a funny name for a file which just says hello world. But okay, we know that Cygwin works right now, and this is all we really need. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.